Hello and welcome to my channel. In this video we're going to continue our snowboarding game. In this video we're going to make our level. So okay, I would like to zoom a little bit out. So now just make it up. And then now all we have to do is just to edit it. We click edit spline and then I want to put 1 and 2 here and 1 and 2 here. Now continue like this. Also, you can add the dot anywhere and then just take it and make it like this with dot. We can also move it inside, outside. For now, I've got like a big thing over here. So now I would like to give you a challenge so that you create a level. So from here I want to enter from down, then like this up, from here a little bit up, this a little bit to here, like this, and then from here to maybe like this, then from another dot from here, then a little bit like this, then like this, make it a little bit bigger, here like this, like this, like this, like this. Yes, so I will have many bumps in here. And here I would like to make a big hole. It comes like this and then woo! Okay, so guys, this was all for editing our land in snowboarding game. See you in the next video. Bye bye.